Bang tengah. Oh, behind us lah. Depan dah.
We want to ride on the road, we also want to ride off-road. Okay, I know since it's a gravel ride, some people will say, go off-road lah. Okay, we will bring you to other trails that has gravel. This is Pang Sua PCN at Chua Chu Kang. This is very near our home. When I started my cycling hobby, Abang like to bring me here, this side here. Okay, we always do our loops here.
Oh, dead end lah. Oh, dah kena shortcut. Okay, let's go. Yes, gravel baby.
Go!
Remember, most importantly, your holding of the handlebar must be firm but not tight. Tight, then
not tight.
Then you'll be very stiff. So no,
here better or here better?
No, up to you. Okay, let's go. Gear besarkan. Nanti bila you jalan, you tukar gear. Jangan ringan. Yes, correct. Out. Don't sit on the saddle for bumpy road. One also better.
What?
Try to, if you see a bumpy road, right? Try to get up. Don't sit on the saddle. So use your leg and your arm as suspension. Paddle. Okay, good. Careful lah. Relax. Go close to the rail. Alright, good. You made it here. No. I'm going slowly. Slowly je, slowly je. Go to the side, ada lubang tengah. Go to the side. Okay, good, good. Just go straight, just go straight. Continue. To bring the chair, time we go to rail corridor. There's always 1.8 meter km, 1.8 km gravel path. Yeah, that's right. Good experience. First time on gravel.
Okay, this is only a prelude to what we were supposed to do. This is only a prelude of what I'm supposed to go through next time. Okay, so I don't mind the gravel. The gravel is fine. My worry just now was actually the puddles, the huge puddles and the mud. Okay, closest experience I've ever ridden on a gravel trail is like 10 years ago on a rented bike at Pulau Ubin, and I fell very badly. So I can still remember that trauma. My right knee or left knee, I cannot remember which one, but it was swollen like hell for 1 week. But I was younger than now, so I healed quite fast. But this time around, when I go through the mud, I felt my bike, my tire sinking into the mud. And what worries me was that huge puddle on the left and right and all over the place. So I was just afraid that I will sink and then I topple. That's it!
So I told her it's okay to sing here or whatever with mud buff, because we stay nearby, so you can always ride slowly back. Huh?
I think it's not so much of the ride, but it's so much of the falling down and splashing on all those mud that makes me okay. So I have to be more gung-ho lah, more brave in that. So I realized, guys, when you go through the mud, please correct me if I'm wrong. For those mountain bikers, please give us tips. Give me tips, teach me. Okay? Is it true what I felt from my experience? When you go through muddy trails like that, you cannot stop. I realized that when you encounter danger, right? You will slow down and you stop pedaling, right?
No, only you. Okay, carry on.
For me, okay? But I realized when I go through that, I know that I'm not confident, so I cannot stop pedaling. Because the moment I stop pedaling, I can feel the tire sinking, and so I have to pedal. And when I pedal, of course, I wobble, and I was just afraid that I would like yeah. But I'm glad I kept the balance lah. I'm glad I kept the balance, and well, it's very exciting. It's exciting, guys. As I was saying, this is only a prelude to what Abang and the KML adventures are going to bring me. So I just have to, I don't know, what do you say, Coach AJ? Do I have to keep on practicing on this trail first before I go T15 or what? Tell me.
Go je. Right. I'm quite happy because just now we go down slope. Of course, she don't yet lah. I bring her bike down. But for me, I'm so glad just applying the basic principle of going downhill. I came from mountain bike before, so when front suspension is quite very new back then in 1990s, right? So still have it a little bit lah. Of this mountain biking help in cycle through the gravel.
Okay, hope you like what we got for you today. Just a prelude, just a prelude. Wait for that invitation.
My bike. What? The wind. Okay. I saw it move.
That's why. No stay. That's
No. My wife eager to go. He said, stop talking and let's go gravel. slowly, go through slowly, pedal slowly je. Slowly. Slowly, just go slowly. Go. Alright. Wow, monitor lizard. Go. Behind us lah.
No way!
And behind us. Dia pedal dia. Pedal. Guys, you know what happened? Because when you got muddy water like this, most probably you cannot see what's inside. So to avoid the needle, try to go tight. We continue. Go. Remember, don't stop pedaling. God. Shit. Are you right here?
Okay guys, we have reached the end, somewhat the end of the trail. A very short trail actually. So right now what's happening is he just realized that he lost his phone at the puddle where he dropped just now. So it's somewhere at the bottom of the puddle, submerged totally. I hope he gets it. Oh gosh, his phone is Samsung Fold. Samsung Fold is not Samsung Fold is not waterproof, right? Shit. Oh gosh. I hope he finds it. Okay, he's back guys. We were from this trail here. He's back. I hope it's good news. Huh? Cannot find? Alamak! What phone was that, Mr. Dash?
Fold 3. It's water resistant for splash but not submerged. So even I got it, still will be beyond repair.
Allah. Oh dear.
Never mind. Submission to Allah's will. There's always a reason. Come, let's go.
2 hours later.
Guys, we finally find lah. We message, we call, then I think blink, is it?
Yeah.
The screen cracked.
Yeah.
The front screen's cracked.
Ayo.
Oh, so many. Ingat.
Thank you.
The phone survive.
Mr. Dash Amin. The phone works.
Whole tree leh.
Hope you like what we got for you today. Just as some of you say, alamak Kak M, so chicken like that also cannot do. But please guys, give me a break, okay? It's my first time going to that kind of trail. So there will be more, inshallah. We're just waiting for KML Adventures to set a schedule for us. And it's gonna be, I think, a lot of screaming. I just hope I don't cry. So just wait for that. So for those of you who have just watched us, go through all our previous videos. We have bike crashes, we have bike chases for Dash Amin. Subscribe Dash Amin. Subscribe our channel, my channel, Kak M, and get more fun vlogs, more fun vlogs from all of us. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Dash Amin, do you have anything to add?
Bye.